I just come America. Green card you have when you just come America. Otherwise, you're going to have something else. If you don't have a green card, you run off. But I have a Jamaica passport, but no, me have my green card. Me chat me have my green card, me not ready yet for travel. The greatest thing in America where everybody want it. No one to stand at Jamaica. If you even fly out for Jamaica, go Haiti, people look up to you say they are foreign. People call you for they can't beg you $10. If you even left for Haiti, you go to Jamaica, they hand you. Or you left for America, go back to Jamaica, back shit out and fly out. Hey, come here. You all bring your man to the free money for your street and double you bring your man come for you. 10 need a 20 for bus. 10 need a 20 for bus. 10 need a 20 for bus. 10 alone now go bus. And you come attack. You favor big Sesame Street, you favor big bird pass big Sesame Street yesterday in ideologies. Me say the Jess look so nice, but you can't turn up straight. You turn up like a camel in the Jess, see ya. And Tikki, do this all beat me and I play a national anthem. No, you must put a yam by your head and say I am Miami. I am Miami. I am ability, I am Miami. I run the biggest yam factory in the country of Jamaica. Yeah. Any man there with me, I give them a green card because yeah, but out of that you must do. Okay, don't play with me badness about ya. Anyway, we move along. Me I go rest you, hang up in the closet and ready for wear you. Let me move along. Yeah, me hang up in the closet till me ready for wear you.